Welcome to the WordPress Ultimate Security channel. In this video, we will show you how you can benefit from the advanced settings in Ultimate Security. This setting will help you handle the plugin's data behavior, emergency lockouts, reset settings, and cache control. Starting from the Ultimate Security dashboard. Let's move to the advanced settings. To get there, hover over the settings menu at the top, then go down to Maintenance and Tools and click on Advanced Settings. This brings us to the Advanced Options page. Under Data Management, you will find the option called Delete Plugin Data on Uninstall. This is off by default. If you ever decide to remove the plugin, leaving this off keeps your settings safe in case you reinstall it later. Let's toggle this switch to on. This ensures that if you delete the plugin, all its data, settings, logs, and database tables are completely wiped clean. Next, look below to the Emergency Access section. This tool generates a secret emergency URL. If you ever get locked out of your own website, you can use this special link to deactivate the plugin safely. Click here to reveal the hidden URL. Now you can see the complete link. To change this URL for better safety, click on the Regenerate URL button. A pop-up will appear asking if you're sure you want to create a new deactivation link. Click Yes, Regenerate. A notification confirms that the link was regenerated successfully. Now, click the copy icon right next to the link to save it to your clipboard. Make sure to save this URL somewhere safe. Down below, we have the Reset and Cache section. Here you see two buttons. First, let's look at Reset to Defaults. Click this button if you ever want to revert all your plugin configurations back to how they were when you first installed it. A pop-up opens asking for confirmation. Since we do not want to wipe our current changes, we click Cancel. Right next to it is the Clear Cache button. Click it to empty the plugin's temporary data, which helps fix minor display or state bugs. Click Yes, Clear Cache on the confirmation window to clean it out. For now, we are canceling it. To make the new changes active, click the Save Changes button. Now it's time to test our emergency URL. Let's paste it directly into the browser address bar and hit Enter. The screen reloads completely, displaying a clean page with a simple confirmation statement. It tells us that the following plugin has been deactivated successfully. That brings us to the end of this tutorial. We have configured the advanced options, set up a secure emergency bypass link, and verified that our safety net works properly. That is everything for this video. Download Ultimate Security, link in the description box. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, like and subscribe for more WordPress security tips. We will see you in the next video.